Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, Ela, this is James. Like I promised, I was going to shoot you a screencast for your website. I'm going to tell you what I see. I'm going to talk about citations. We're going to talk about backlinks. We're going to talk about more content and the potential of what you can do in the future. Okay, so here I am at your homepage right here, and it needs more content. Okay, you don't have enough content on this. Google likes to see a minimum of 100 or 1,500 words. Within those 1,500 words, you're going to want keywords. You have absolutely none that you're being found for. I looked you up over in Ahrefs, and this is a site you can use. It's a pay-for site, very expensive, but as you can see, you're not being found for any keywords, and there's zero traffic being driven to your site because of those lack of keywords on the site. So when Google crawls this site, um, they're not finding professional organizing cleaning services, residential and commercial, at all. Okay, you want it in the content. Okay, you've highlighted some words, like here's a help around the house. Well, that's a search term, but it's not being found. None of these keywords here are being found at all. So we want it to be more content and keyword rich on the front page. I use a tool called Jasper AI. You can use it too. Again, this is an expensive tool for writing content, but it might benefit you in the long run. Okay, so, I use the boss mode, which is like my personal assistant. I give it a command, and this is what it gives me. As you can see, I have professional organizer, organized, and organizing keywords. This is a little bit stuffed because you want 150 words per keyword. Basically, explain what a professional organizer does and do 150 words on that, and then put in your next keyword and explain whatever. This is all this tool does is gives me an idea of what to write. Okay, and it's good content. You know, uh, that's good content, and Google likes good content with their keywords that you want to be searched for. Okay, organically. Uh, Services, same thing. You can expound on these a little bit more on the first page and the home page, explaining what you would do and adding those keywords and search terms within the content. You can expound on these. This is what, 20 words at most. You can expand on that a little bit more. Also, backlinks internally. If you backlink internally to, say, like this would be a service page that you can backlink to, basically all you do is, um, highlight it, hit the link option here, and then paste in whatever link you want to your back page. Okay, doing those as well as with 150 words per keyword will help you out. I think you said that Joe helped out with some building some cabinets and stuff like that. That might be another service you might want to add. If not, if you're hiring a contractor with a website, this would be a good backlink to their site, and then you would negotiate. Hey, I want to offer you a backlink to your site. Can you backlink me on your site? That kind of thing. Um, you scratch my back, I scratch yours. I was just trying to pull up some ideas. This is not, something I would copy paste onto a a page until I knew it made sense and it was good and I liked it. That kind of thing. It just gives me ideas. And it's an AI writer. So it's a tool that you can use. Um, think about using a site like this and uh, uh, getting more directories with your address in it so they can get up to the top of the pack on this will help you um, rank even better. Okay, this doesn't tell me because I looked you up directly. This doesn't really tell me um, where you are in the position of the map pack, but this is good because this is what you want to see on every citation is short description, your name, your website, and your phone number and address. Okay, so you want to see that on all your citations. Okay, and directories. How do you find directories? It's simple. You can find directories. I use a tool called WhiteSpark CA, and that pulls you up. You got 27 citations. And here's some top businesses that do the same thing, only they have 14, 12, and 1. You're already beating them out, which is good. The thing is when you do these citations, you don't want spammy citations. You want authoritative citations. Citations that come from Find My Organizer. If you had your whole address like you do on the map pack in Find My Organizer, that would be good. Angie's List, if your address is posted in there, that would be a citation. Thumbtack, Orchard Organize, I think this is somebody's website, but Savannah and Atlanta, Georgia. It's a site you might want to look at. As you notice, they're coming up as number one. House is coming up as number one. Well, this might be a directory. Or another one of those pay to advertise here. That might be what that is. I don't know. NAPO, I'm not sure if it costs or not, but that would be something you might want to check out to see if you would want to join this group. Get listed here, okay? And you can go on and on with it. I mean, it's a deep rabbit hole, but focusing on more backlinks and referring domains will help you rank. Keywords will help you rank organically. Get started on that content. That would be the first thing. And then get it keyword rich, more than 1,500 words if you can on this front page. If you want, you can use a tool like that, Jasper AI, or if you can find something cheaper, that would be great. And then having backlinks internally, and then focus on the external backlinks and also citations, getting on more directories. Okay, you probably heard this before from somebody else who's helped you. I'm just showing you what you can do to get your site going better and working for you, because as you can see, you started in 2015. Here it is, 2023, 8 years almost. One backlink that's probably coming from Find My Organizer. This one may have been coming from Angie's List, I'm not sure, or Home Advisor, and then all of a sudden it dropped. So like you tried them out for a little bit and then dropped them. I don't know what the deal is, but you can see organic keywords, nothing is being found. I'd like to see this slow curving up. We don't want to see a spike. but we do want to see a slow curve up and seeing you get raked more organically. That'll drive more business to your page. Okay. Um, with that said, you guys have a wonderful weekend, and um, uh, give me a call or shoot me an email. Let me know what you think. Okay. All right. Thanks.